Welcome back to the channel. Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions here. And I get asked this question all the time, and that is, will my downspouts and sump pump still work if it is snowing? What happens if it gets below freezing? What will happen? Will my system still work? The answer is yes. Yes, your system will work. Okay, right now it is like 22 degrees. It rained all night. It snowed a little bit. It's still kind of flurrying, coming on and off. But as you can see right here, your pop-up, just like that, okay? You open it up, there was still water there, but at the same time, there's a hole in the bottom of this. So as there's no more head pressure right now because it's not raining, the snow hasn't melted completely all the way, the sump pump hasn't kicked on yet, but the water will still come out and facilitate how it's supposed to. When it doesn't anymore, and you see the water here, at the same time, it's still trying to drain back into the ground. Okay, as you can see, it has already started to drain a little bit because it was already at the top, and now it's not. But yes, your systems will still work. Okay, this system was installed over 2 years ago and has been working just fine. And then people ask, what if the pop-up is covered? Again, that's why there's a hole in the bottom of the 90. So that way, if somehow the water can't come up and pop out and facilitate out onto the street, how it's supposed to, well, then it will drain back into the ground. But your system will always work. Okay, this is why we call this a one and done. You install it, and that's the end of it. So, to answer everyone's question, once again, even if it is below freezing, even if somehow ice forms on the top of this and this all freezes up, it will still work.